everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. Okay, so for those who are asking what they will learn if they enroll in our digital product selling online course, so here are some of the things that you can learn in this online course. First, you will know what is digital product selling, what are the digital products that you can sell online, how to create your own digital products, how to start your digital product selling business, how to resell this online course, and start earning. Itong online course na to, ito mismo, yung digital product selling online course that you will purchase from me. You can resell this online course and then you will learn how to start earning right away by selling this online course. You will also learn from this online course how to promote your products in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Products meaning to say if you're already selling online products, then you will learn additional tips or strategies that you can apply sa Facebook, sa Instagram, and sa TikTok. You will also learn how to create your own sales funnel that you can use for other business ideas and income opportunities. So that's the reason why it's so nice to have this kind of online course because you can apply it to other businesses that you already are doing right now. Especially if you already have existing online businesses, then you can apply what you will learn here sa pag-create ng sales funnel para mas lalo mo siya ma-market at ma-promote sa different online platforms that we have. So like social media or on websites, creating your own websites and creating your own sales funnel for your existing online businesses. So these are just a few things of what you will learn in our digital product selling online course once you purchase it. And what's good thing about this digital product selling business online course, once you purchase it, you can start reselling this online course and start earning money and get value for your money. So for those who are thinking to purchase our digital product selling business course, just click the link on my profile if you're on TikTok. And then once you click the link on my profile, you can click the link for Start Your Digital Product Selling Business Online Course. If you're watching on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, just click the link that I've posted on the description box. Then click the link for Start Your Digital Product Selling Business Online Course. If you have any questions or concerns or any inquiries about our digital product selling business online course, you can contact me on the contact details that you're seeing on your screen. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group that I have created. Just click the link that you're seeing on your screen and you can join our Facebook group so that you could interact with other moms or join this community so that we could build up and encourage one another in creating our multiple sources of income, but at the same time in how to be a wealthy mom the way how God has created us to be. So, see you in our Wealthy Moms Club PH community and also looking forward in partnering with you in creating your multiple sources of income and also in your digital product selling business. Thank you and God bless.